Alright guys, here we go. I ended up getting a pontoon boat for free, so it didn't cost me nothing. All I had to do was get the trailer. Trailer was about 700 bucks. Some modifications was about 200 bucks. All in all, I would say about 800 bucks for the trailer. Free pontoon boat. I'm going to strip this down and use the frame and basically rebuild it. So let's take a little tour. As you can see, this side was sinking for a little bit. And it's trying to empty out right now. You can see by the hole there. It does need some work. I'm going to strip everything down to the frame and just rebuild it up. Here's the front. She's going to look pretty good when I'm done with it. Need some cleaning, rewiring. Everything's going to get stripped out. Everything's going to be put in brand new. Check that out. Hey Jake, this is Jake here, my dog. He loves to hang out with me and on my builds. So this is a boat, a pontoon boat. I believe it's a 16-foot, and we're gonna strip it all the way down to the frame and basically make it like new. So everything's gonna be coming out, all that stuff. I don't think I'm gonna use anything that's already existing there except for the pontoons and the frame, of course. I'm gonna try and save the trolling motor here. It did work, but it's going to need to be redone. I already started taking it apart. I just haven't done this side yet. The pontoons, as you can see, it's been sitting in the water for quite a long time. Needs some TLC, and I did buy some chemicals to try and clean this up, and then we'll see how that goes. All right, so go ahead and stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are on. This is a new project for us. We'd normally be working on cars, but this is a boat. And that's it. Blue Line Garage. That's how we do.